Bonjour et bienvenue chez French Sounds. Welcome to French Sounds. Today we're going to talk about an aspect of French pronunciation that is not widely known. It has to do with the assimilation between consonants. When two consonants are put in juxtaposition, the quality of one consonant can influence that of the other one that comes either before it or after it. And the quality that is important here is whether the consonant is voiced or unvoiced. A voiced consonant is pronounced with the vocal cords vibrating. An unvoiced consonant has vocal cords that do not vibrate. Now in French, there are 6 pairs of voiced, unvoiced consonants. 3 stops or occlusives and 3 fricatives. The occlusives are p, b, the second one being voiced, t, d, and k, g. And for the fricatives, you have f, v, s, z, and sh, zh. You can hear the voicing of the consonant by a buzzing type sound from the vibration. In French, the most common assimilation between consonants is regressive devoicing, which means that when two consonants come together, whether inside of word or when two words are put together, the quality of the second consonant, which would be unvoiced, devoices the voiced first consonant. Now, I know that sounds confusing, but let's do some examples. You have the expression je m'appelle. Let's drop the mute E in the je and you get je m'appelle. Both the j and the m are voiced, so there's no difference, there's no change. But if you say je t'appelle, I call you, the T, which is unvoiced, devoices the je into sh. Let's listen to that again. Je m'appelle, je t'appelle. You can hear it also in these 2 words. You have médical with a voiced D, but médecin, médecin, where the D becomes devoiced into a T sound because of the influence of the S that follows it. Another example, you have sauver with a voiced V, but le sauvetage, where the T devoices the V into an F. Sauver, sauvetage. You can see it also within words, and if you check the phonetic transcription of these words in the dictionary, you'll find that they are transcribed with the unvoiced counterpart. For example, absolu, where you have a B in the spelling, but a P in the phonetic transcription. You can hear it also in observer, obtenir, subtil. Let's move on now to regressive voicing. This is when the second consonant is voiced and voices a preceding unvoiced consonant. You have, for example, on se parle. Drop the mute E in the se and you get on se parle, with the s and the p both unvoiced. But change that to on se dit, where the D voices the S into a Z type sound. On se dit. You can hear it also in the difference between the words sport, sp, both unvoiced, and svelte, where the V influences the S into a Z. Also in the place name Strasbourg, where the voiced B makes the S sound like a Z. Strasbourg. Moving on now to progressive devoicing, which means that the quality of the first consonant influences the second one. Let's take the word les cheveux, where you have a voiced V. Drop the mute E and you get les cheveux, where the V sounds a lot like an F because it is devoiced due to the sh, which is unvoiced. Les cheveux. You can hear it also in la cheville, la cheville. And finally, one example of progressive voicing can be found in a place name, another place name, Alsace, where the S sounds like a Z, because of the voicing influence of the L that precedes. Alors, merci et à la semaine prochaine. Au revoir.